tell you what we do around here. See, we broke. Oh, we broke. So, dude, this is to all my peeps who think that Chad is rich. See, what's that? What's that? Chicken noodle soup. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna set that right there. By the way, I sold those pants yesterday on eBay, and now I'm resting a spoon on it. Isn't it great? But listen, that's my chicken. We get our own. Oh, yeah, that's right. Chad's famous recipe. So set your stupid little asses up there like that. Fucking fuck. It's like this. Oops. Oops. It's a little garlic seasoning. Then you got your pecker. I call it a pecker even though I'm definitely not gay. Okay? And although this is pretty good in sodium, tastes salty, sprinkle. Okay? Now, you want to see Jailhouse? That's our mic. Oops, I just spilt some down there. It's no big deal. Those are the bills. Boom, boom. 3 minutes. And you let it ride. Meanwhile, I got a bunch of chicken noodle soup juice on my shit. So we come over here and rewind it like that, bud. Listen, it's like 1:30 in the morning. Yeah, I'm like a rock star around this bitch. See, guys, like, I don't understand. You pay all your bills and you just sleep and fuck off all day and you're rich. First of all, I'm not rich, I'm broke. All right? That's number one, Chuck. Number two, I'm broke. On paper, I'm broke. But I got a nice, fine, gold 1 ounce bar from the Credit Susie. It says Credit Susie. Oh yeah, worth big bucks. I'm broke. So, wait a minute. Where did my spoon go? What did I do with my spoon? I didn't leave it in the microwave. I know I didn't. Oh, that's right. I put it on the pair of these. I'm selling these, by the way. Oh, yeah. Because we rich. I'm just kidding. So we stir. Gotta make sure all them herbs and stuff are getting in there nicely. I'm just kidding. Like, what the fuck? I was hoping it was done by now. I'm gangster, motherfucker. Oh, yeah, I live in Winooski, Vermont. It's like the Bronx. Oh, yeah. 1 square mile. I do see his dogs. And dogettes. Because Mr. fucking Rollins is gonna take a piss. Is that alright with you? You wanna hang out? Okay then. Here we go. Just kidding. Yeah. Just gotta pissing in that shithole right there. It's called a shithole. That's what Donald Trump said. Donald Trump said that Mexico is like a shithole. Bringing all our drugs and shit. Shits. I said shits. Oh man, dude, look at this soup. This is the best soup in America. It's Chad's recipe for disaster. Gulp. Well, I hope that was good for you as it was for me.